Did you know that eating papaya seeds to kill parasites might not be working for you? That's right. There's a crucial mistake that 99% of people make when trying to get rid of these unwanted guests in their body. And if you've ever tried natural remedies, you may have wasted your time without even realizing it. But don't worry, I'm going to reveal the right way to do it, along with other powerful home remedies that can eliminate parasites naturally. Oh, and stick with me until the end because I'll share a secret recipe for a tea that's been used for centuries to fight off parasites. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about parasites? I feel fine. But let me tell you something. Parasites are sneaky. Many people carry them without even knowing. These parasites can live in your intestines, your stomach, and even your esophagus, slowly draining your health. Symptoms like fatigue, stomach pain, bloating, skin rashes, or even unexplained weight loss can be caused by parasites living in your body. And here's the scary part. If left untreated, these parasites can rob you of essential nutrients, damage your digestive system, and even put stress on your immune system. So, taking action now isn't just a good idea, it's essential for your long-term health. Before we dive into the natural remedies, let me tell you where this information is coming from. It's not just random advice, it's backed by the expertise of Dr. Luciana Fontes, a well-known naturopath from Brazil. She's an expert in natural medicine and has spent years helping people regain their health using remedies that are not only safe, but also incredibly effective. Dr. Fontes believes that instead of constantly running to the pharmacy for chemical medications, we can turn to nature to solve many of our health problems. And let me tell you, the remedies she recommends are simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful. So you're in the right place, no need to waste time watching dozens of other videos. Everything you need is right here. All right, let's jump into the powerful methods that can help you eliminate parasites naturally. Each one has been carefully researched, and I'll explain why they work so well. Stick around because one of these might surprise you. First, let's talk about papaya seeds. Most people assume that swallowing them whole is enough to fight parasites. But here's the truth, that's not the best way to use them. Dr. Fontes explains that papaya seeds contain powerful enzymes like papain, which can kill parasites, but only when the seeds are chewed or crushed. That's right, mastication is key. By chewing, you release the enzymes that break down the parasites in your digestive system, particularly in your esophagus and stomach. Now, why is this important? Because many parasites attach themselves to the walls of your digestive tract, and if the seeds aren't properly crushed, they won't release the enzymes needed to detach them. Here's a quick tip. You can dry the seeds, grind them into a powder, and sprinkle them on your food or mix them into smoothies. Some people even mix them with a little bit of honey to make them more palatable. But remember, don't overdo it. Papaya seeds are very potent, and consuming too much can irritate your stomach or even cause mild digestive discomfort. About 1 teaspoon a day is enough to start seeing results. Next up is a classic remedy that's been used for centuries, garlic. But let me ask you something. Are you using garlic in the most effective way? The secret lies in crushing or macerating the garlic before consuming it. When you crush garlic, it releases a compound called allicin. Allicin is what gives garlic its strong smell, but it's also a natural anti-parasitic powerhouse. It not only kills parasites, but also boosts your immune system, helping your body defend itself against future infections. And here's the best part, garlic is so versatile. You can eat it raw, crush it and mix it with olive oil for a salad dressing, or even add it to soups and stews. If you're not a fan of the taste or smell of raw garlic, don't worry. Dr. Fontes mentions that garlic oil capsules are a great alternative. These capsules contain the active compounds of garlic without the strong odor, making them a convenient option for people who don't like the taste of raw garlic. Have you ever heard of mastruz? It's also called the herb of Saint Mary and has been used traditionally in Brazil for its anti-parasitic properties. This herb works wonders, especially when the fresh leaves are crushed into a juice or tea. The active compounds in mastruz not only kill parasites, but also help heal your digestive system. It's especially effective against intestinal worms and other parasites that can harm your gut. But here's a word of caution. Mastruz can be very potent, so it's important to use it in moderation. Too much can irritate your stomach or cause other side effects. And if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid this herb altogether, as it can be too strong for the body during these times. Finally, let's talk about pumpkin seeds. These might look like just a tasty snack, but they're actually one of the most effective natural remedies for parasites. Pumpkin seeds contain a compound called cucurbitacin, which paralyzes parasites, making it easier for your body to expel them. The best way to use them? Roast the seeds lightly and eat them as a snack, or grind them into a powder and mix them with a bit of honey for a sweet and effective remedy. Pumpkin seeds are gentle on your body, so they're safe for both adults and children. Now, these remedies are already powerful on their own, but there's one more method I promised to share with you. A special tea that's been used for centuries to combat parasites. This tea doesn't just target the parasites, it also helps with digestion, boosts your immune system, and has loads of other health benefits. I'll reveal the full recipe in just a moment, so keep watching. The moment you've been waiting for. Here's the secret recipe for Artemisia tea, also known as the Queen of Herbs. Artemisia has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health problems, including parasites. Its anti-parasitic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties make it a must-have remedy. Here's how you make it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of dried Artemisia leaves. Make sure it's Artemisia vulgaris, and buy it from a trusted source like a natural products store or herbalist. 1 liter of boiling water. Instructions: boil 1 liter of water and turn off the heat. Add the 2 tablespoons of dried Artemisia leaves to the water. Cover and let the tea steep for 10 minutes. Strain the tea. Naturopaths recommend that you drink 2 to 3 cups of this tea a day. Now, here's something important. Artemisia is very powerful, so you should only use it for about 15 days and then take a break for a week. And here's a crucial point. If you have any doubts, please consult a healthcare professional before using Artemisia. This tea is strong and should be used under supervision, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition. Remember, natural remedies are amazing, but they should always be used responsibly. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with one final thought. Getting rid of parasites naturally is not just about killing them. It's about creating a body that's inhospitable to them. Use these remedies consistently, and you'll notice a huge difference in how you feel. Oh, and if you love this recipe, you're going to want to check out our most popular video on a simple yet incredibly effective remedy for eliminating parasites. Trust me, it's the one everyone's been talking about. Click over to that video now and I'll see you there. Take care, stay healthy, and don't forget to share this video with someone who might need it. Bye for now.